10 times 5 equals 50. 18
Divided by
9 equals 2. 15 plus 15 equals 30. 23 times 4 equals 92. 35
divided by
5 equals 7. 10 plus 30 equals 40. 42 times 1 equals 42. 56
divided by
7 equals 8. 9 times 4 equals 36. 24 plus 13 equals 37.